Hey guys, Mrs. Engel here. This is going to be your e-learning for the week of 5/4 to basically 5/12, right up ahead of when we take the exam. We're going to be working through, I'm going to be giving you a timed writing experience. This timed writing experience is going to be simply that. It's going to be for the experience. I'm not going to take a grade on it. So we got a couple of things that we're looking at this week. First of all, we've got some Zoom sessions set up this week. You must come to one of these Zoom sessions. I must see your participation. I've got a lot of information to give you in regards to our exam that we have coming up on Wednesday, May 13th at 2 o'clock. I have a ton of information. So you can choose Monday at 11 o'clock. You can choose Monday at 2 o'clock. Or you can choose Tuesday at 10 o'clock. No, I don't care which one you come to, but I need you to come to one of those. If for some reason you can't come to one of those three, you must reach out to me so I can get you the information in some sort of format. But please, please, please do your best to make it to those sessions and make life easy for all of us. Again, you can come Monday at 11, Monday at 2, or Tuesday at 10. Any questions on that, send me an email. So that's going to bring us to our last experience for this week. This is going to be the last thing that we do before the exam. I've gotten many of your essays from last week, so I'll be sending you feedback on those. That's going to be one of your last grades for us here. So if you haven't sent that essay in, please do. This is one that's a timed writing experience. I cut this thing off at 60 minutes. So once you open it, it's open, okay? So it's got one question. It's from Dalton Trumbo's novel, Johnny's Got His Gun. And it's an essay in which the author uses techniques such as point of view, so how people see things, selection of detail, and syntax. Syntax is the way that the sentences are structured. So any of the 5 literary elements that we use here are fair game. So for instance, symbolism, imagery, compare, contrast, diction, word choice, all of those things are fair game. Particularly, some are better than others. Like this happens to have a symbol in its piece, so you could write about symbolism here. So I'm not going to go through this in this video because I don't want you to. Again, once you open it, you've got 60 minutes. So I want to see what you can do. This is a timed writing experience to kind of get you ready for it. And then, guys, I just want you to do your best work here. So you're going to find this underneath your assignments tab. It is called Exam Timed Writing. Okay, so hop in there. If you have questions, give me a call. Send me a text. Send me an email. Send me a remind message. However you guys want. You guys know how to get a hold of me. So attend a Zoom session this week. Do a timed writing experience. And then later on this week, I'm going to push out some stuff that we need for studying for our exam. So, guys, get a hold of me. Have a great day and enjoy the sunshine.